Hello! Today we are going to learn a new course which is ITIL. First module of this course is Introduction to ITIL. In Module 1 we have these topics: Overview of ITIL and its history, Benefits of using ITIL in IT service management, Overview of the ITIL service lifecycle and its 5 stages. ITIL Information Technology Infrastructure Library is a framework of best practices for IT service management ITSM. It was created by the UK government in the 1980s as a set of guidelines for managing the IT infrastructure of government agencies. Since then, it has evolved into a globally recognized standard for IT service management. ITIL provides a common language and best practices for managing IT services, including service strategy, design, transition, operation, and continual improvement. ITIL is not prescriptive, but rather provides a flexible framework that can be adapted to meet the specific needs of an organization. The current version of ITIL is ITIL 4, which was released in 2019. ITIL 4 incorporates new approaches and methodologies such as Agile, DevOps, and Lean, in addition to the traditional ITIL practices. ITIL provides a framework for best practices in IT service management that can bring numerous benefits to an organization, including 1. Improved service quality. By following ITIL best practices, organizations can ensure that their services are delivered consistently and meet the needs of their customers. 2. Increased efficiency. ITIL can help organizations to streamline their processes and reduce waste, resulting in increased efficiency and cost savings. 3. Better risk management. ITIL provides a structured approach to identifying and managing risks, which can help organizations to avoid or mitigate potential problems. 4. Improved customer satisfaction. By providing high-quality, consistent services, organizations can improve their customer satisfaction and loyalty. 5. Clearer communication. ITIL provides a common language and framework for IT service management, which can help to improve communication and collaboration within IT teams and between IT and other business functions. 6. Greater agility. By adopting ITIL best practices, organizations can become more responsive to changing business needs and market conditions. 7. Better alignment with business objectives. ITIL helps to ensure that IT services are aligned with the needs and objectives of the business, which can help to improve the overall effectiveness of IT. The ITIL service lifecycle is a framework for managing IT services throughout their entire lifecycle. It consists of 5 stages, each of which represents a phase of the service lifecycle. 1. Service strategy. This stage focuses on defining the business objectives and determining how IT can support them. It involves identifying the types of services that should be offered, understanding the needs of the customer, and creating a strategy for delivering those services. 2. Service design. This stage focuses on designing the services that were identified in the previous stage. It involves defining the requirements for the services, designing the service processes and policies, and creating a plan for managing the resources needed to deliver the services. 3. Service transition. This stage focuses on transitioning the services from the design phase to the operational phase. It involves testing the services to ensure they meet the requirements, training staff to support the services, and preparing for the deployment of the services. 4. Service operation. This stage focuses on managing the services that are in operation. It involves monitoring the services to ensure they are performing as expected, responding to incidents and problems, and making changes to improve the services. 5. Continual service improvement. This stage focuses on continually improving the services over time. It involves analyzing service data to identify areas for improvement, planning and implementing changes to improve the services, and measuring the effectiveness of the changes. The ITIL service lifecycle provides a comprehensive framework for managing IT services from the initial planning stages through ongoing operations and improvement. By following this framework, Organizations can ensure that their IT services are aligned with business objectives, are delivered in a consistent and reliable manner, and are continually improved to meet changing needs. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for next part.